Hello. So during the CES of 2026, ASUS unveiled a couple of new motherboards for the Ryzen CPUs, which they named Neo. In front of us there's a new motherboard in the lineup. It's X870-Pro WiFi7 Neo. So let's check what the box looks like and what's inside, how the motherboard looks like. The box is gray, as we can see, which is a little bit unusual for TUF gaming products, but this is their new design, and they went for gray color and gray tones on the light gray tones on the motherboard. There's a couple of photos also and explanations of the technology on the box, and we can check what's inside. So, the usual packaging for ASUS. Here we have the Wi-Fi antenna, and below this cardboard is the rest of the bundle, and that includes SATA cable, this short user manual, some TUF gaming stickers, a little pamphlet about ASUS web storage, and two bump stoppers for the M2 SSDs and one little screw for the M2. Let's check the motherboard. As we can see, the motherboard is completely gray with some white accents, and the PCB is gray also. This is rather unusual for the TUF product, but ASUS obviously wanted to show a little bit different products for this year, for this update, until the new Ryzen comes up and new lineup of motherboards. So we have a couple of stickers that we will remove. First this one here, then another one here, and the last one here. So the covers for the VRM or for the back I/O is plastic with TUF Gaming sign, and also there's a plastic sign on the chipset cooler. Here we have an M2 SSD cooler, which is held by 4 screws, and also we have a top M2 slot, which is toolless for removal. The cooler itself is rather small, nothing too big. We have a PCI Express 5.0 slot with the ejector, and it's also armored. And what's else interesting on this board? Just its color. Let's check out the back IOs. The VRM coolers are rather simple, they're not connected, but they are massive enough to cool down the VRM. And the bottom is done in a little bit darker gray tone. So that's it with this motherboard. Stay tuned for the written review, and see you later.